Hi there and welcome to Story Time with Uncle Bill. We got another North Carolina education lottery. We got a $5 Lightning Sevens. Excuse me. This card comes with 3 games. The first game, just find a 7 and win that prize. Second game, match 3 sevens and win that prize. And the third game is match the number and win that prize. Let's see what we got. We're just looking for a 7 here. It's the only thing that wins. We got a 9, a 3, a 6, and an 8. Okay. Now we're looking for 3 sevens in a row. Which is a 0, X, and a 7, X, and a 7. Good setup. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. And a 7. We'll go backwards. 7, 7. Is it going to give it to us? And give us the X. All right, we could have won $5. All right. Now we're looking just for the winning numbers here. 39 and 19. 24. 38. 34. 30. 36. Big old numbers, huh? 35. 26. 32. 22. And our last try is 21. No winner. Okay. Here's the back if you've never seen it. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. If you can, hit that like button, share the video, subscribe if you haven't. Peace.